Hi, my name is Danesa Menge, and I am a Smart Exemplary Educator from the United States. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Monster Quiz. It's for all grades, all subjects, awesome for assessment, and it's quick, easy, and fun. So why do I use it? Well, exactly. It's quick, easy, and fun. I use it for all kinds of assessment, whether it's formative and summative. It's super easy to add to any notebook file, and students love it. Why not use something that students are going to love and you can see that students demonstrate their learning as well? So let's see how to do this. First, we're going to go up and click the Smart Lab tab. Once open, we are going to find Monster Quiz. Now for Monster Quiz, students will need to be on devices, whether Chromebooks, phones, etc. You get to choose your question types, whether it's true or false, or multiple choice. Enter your question. Add more, and then when you're done, click next, and you can have set the time limit for questions or none at all, and a finish. Once you're finished, make sure that you're signed into Smart Lab, and then you can play. You press start, students get to be added in with the website and the code, and then you play. One thing I can suggest to you is that there is a space on the smartboard between these numbers. Remind your students there are no spaces. So once everyone's in, you divide them into teams. They have their boxes, and then you start. And the race is on to get those monsters out of their box. The students answer their questions. They answer true or false, and that's it. Super easy, awesome, and wonderful. Try out Monster Quiz today.